So Samsung is back at it again, this time with the Galaxy G Fold, their first ever tri-fold smartphone. And let me tell you, this isn't just a Z Fold with extra hinges slapped on. Nope, Samsung's basically trying to turn your pocket into a full-blown tablet. It's bold, it's weird, and it's pure Samsung energy. Let's start with the obvious, the display. Closed up, it's a normal 6.5-inch phone, but unfold it, boom, 10.1 inches. That's iPad territory. The real kicker though isn't just the size, it's the aspect ratio. Unlike today's Z Folds, you're not staring at giant black bars every time you watch a movie. They're still there, but way less distracting. Finally, your Netflix binge won't feel like you're watching through a mailbox slot. Now, here's where it gets spicy. Multitasking. On the Z Fold, you can run 3 apps at once, but 2 of them are crammed into a tiny slice of the screen that nobody actually uses. The G Fold fixes this. Samsung calls it Split Trio. 3 apps side by side, vertical or horizontal, and all of them actually usable thanks to that 10-inch panel. Imagine scrolling Twitter, replying to email, and doom scrolling TikTok all at once. Peak productivity or peak distraction? You decide. And Samsung didn't stop there. You can mirror up to 3 home screen pages from the cover display onto the main tablet display. That's one more than the Z Fold 7 lets you do. It sounds small, but trust me, if you're into layouts and organization, this is a big win. Of course, the basics are here too. Wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, NFC. But heads up, you gotta close the phone to charge it wirelessly. Makes sense, but worth mentioning before someone tries charging their $3,000 tablet phone thing halfway open. Speaking of $3,000, yeah, that's the rumored price tag. Early adopters, prepare your wallets. Maybe by Gen 2, it'll creep down to $2,500, but for now, you're basically buying bragging rights. Now, let's talk what's missing. S Pen support. As much as this 10-inch screen screams, use me like a notebook, it's not happening. Adding a digitizer layer to 3 panels would have made this thing way thicker. If the Z Fold 7 skipped it, the G Fold definitely will too. Big miss, Samsung. As for hardware and the launch window, ET News says it slipped from September to October or November, but it won't share the stage with Samsung's Project Muhan headset on October 21st. Nope, this foldable diva is getting its own solo show. So here's the big picture. The Galaxy G Fold is Samsung's wildest experiment yet. Bigger display, smarter multitasking, and that split trio feature that might actually change how you use a phone. But it's also pricey, chunky, and missing the S Pen that could have made it a true tablet killer. Question is, do you want to be the first person on your block rocking a trifold? Or do you wait until Samsung irons out the kinks? Because one thing's for sure, the G Fold isn't just a phone. It's Samsung saying, we're gonna try stuff no one else dares. And honestly, I kinda love that.